Namaste to everyone. Today I Deepa Sharma. Welcome to everyone in my today's lecture active and passive voice. As you can see, I have written this on the board as well. Active passive voice. I have found many students. They are getting confused with the topic. What is active passive? Unable to understand. Even they are running up to 10 standard plus 2 standard. Even I would say, but unable to understand what is active passive. Now, what to do if we want to understand? Today, I'm here to sort out your all problems. So, first of all, I would like to ask you, do you like food? Now, you would say, "Ki, ma'am, what kind of question this is? We are doing active passive, and now the food is coming. How is it?" I will tell you the connection, boys and girls, and of course, my dear audience. Now see, active and passive was how it is connected with the food. We all love food, no doubt. When you are little one, even you are growing, even you are a married person, you would be finding that whosoever would be the loving one of yours would be offering the food, your favorite food. Am I right or not? So it's so good to have the food which you enjoy a lot. Similarly, today we are going to enjoy this active passive voice. How it is? As simple as you can eat your favorite food. So I would say active passive voice is more simple than that. Then how it is? Now we are going to start for today's part. Now I'm going to write the one and a simple sentence. Now see what it is. I eat food. Come on, you speak with me. I eat food. Now, how to do this? I will tell you the very simple way to do that. And of course, I would say the enjoyable methods, which you would be enjoying itself while doing this. And of course, you will be doing it so correctly well. And as your competitive exam or the other things are running, now in which you can even get very good score. You can crack the exam as well. Now see how it is. This is I, this is eat, and this is food. Hardly three words you are watching here. Now, if the three words are there, what are the names of those? I will tell you what is it. I means subject. Now you will say, ki, ma'am, English, Hindi, math, science, all are subject. But in English, subject is having the meaning like any subject, English, Hindi. Another meaning, subject is a doer. D-O-E-R. Doer means what? The person or anything you may consider that is performing something. We can see in this sentence like eat. Eat is what? It's a kind of action. Somebody is eat. Now you can see eat. Eat is a verb. And of course, verb is what? It's an action. I eat. You can write here as well. This is an action and action is called what? This is verb. So my dear students, or I would say my dear viewers, today I will tell you eat. Eat is what? It's a verb. And verb is itself an action. You are finding the word food. Food is what? It's an object. What is it? Object. Now, simple things you have to do, like you always, when you, if you are a student, you people just play the game like this one. I have seen the students doing like this. So you have to do the same in order to sort it out. Then how it would be? Now you may see. I eat food. Now I'm going to raise it, my dear. See here. See here. This and this make a cross as you usually make in the games. Now, food. We can write the food here. What is the meaning of this line? This is here. It will come here itself. I will get here. Fine. And now what is it? Eat. Eat will remain in between. Now I would say how to change it. You would say, ma'am, how you have written I? But I would say, my dear, when I is coming in the beginning, it goes at last, so it becomes me. Like you always say, talk to me, come to me, give it to me. This remains, yes or not? Okay, fine. So food and me, I will turn into me. Food will remain food. Now eat. This is the verb, it will remain in between. How it will change? How it will change? Now see, you must be aware about the three verbs. Three, first, second and third form. So this is eat, first form, second form ate and third form is eaten. Clear? Eat is the first form, ate is the second form and V3 is the third form. Now you can see what? This is V1. What it is, bacho? V1. Now you can see V1 change into what? Here is the formula which you have to learn, or you may say that you will repeat it automatically, it will sit here. You don't need to cram it, learn it, just read it 2 to 3 times, it will automatically sit here. Okay, now eat is here. Food. Food will take either mark, all three, or we will select only one. Of course, one. So what we will take? Am? No. Am go with I. R goes with plural. Am I right? Plural. And here it is singular. What it is, bacho? Singular. So I would write here food is. Now, this is the first form changing into V3. What is V3? V3 is this one, eaten. Food is eaten. Now what? You have to add by. This is your food is eaten by me. So simple. Okay. Now I'm gonna tell you another sentence. How it is like another sentence. How you would do that? He plays hockey. He plays hockey. So simple. Subject, verb, object. Okay. Now make a simple thing. Make a cross like this. You would be watching hockey would come here. He will become him. What does it become, bacho? Him. And play. Play is what? It's a verb. Play. What is the second form? Played. And what is the third form? Played. But if you want to do these active and passive voice, you have to learn first, second, and third form. If you know this, so your active passive voice are going to be correct all the time. Okay, now hockey. Hockey is. Now same thing is there. Place. Place means what? This is the first form of the verb. And YS is coming, you know very well, it's a singular. That's why S and ES is lying with it. Clear now? Now he plays hockey. Hockey is. Why we will write is MR. We have to choose one. Okay, which one we will take? Hockey is a singular, so that's why we will take is only. Okay, so hockey is play. What is the third form? First, second, and this is third. Play, played, played. So you will write here, hockey is played by him. So simple. Now you can change so many things. Suppose you are putting here V. What you are putting here? V. So it will become here we play hockey. Then the sentence, your answer would be hockey is played by us. What will be there? Hockey is played by us. You may take any of the sentences, whatever you are having. But only the first form we are going to consider this time. We will go accordingly. First of all, present indefinite, this one. So we are just sorting out here the your present indefinite first of all. Hopefully you would be liking my lecture, and of course I would be here always to help you, to assist you, always be assisting you to crack your exam. Now goodbye and have a good luck. See you in the next lecture.